In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund money from your Steam wallet. If you added funds to your Steam wallet and changed your mind, or you simply need that money back, I'll walk you through the exact process so you know what to expect from start to finish. First, log into your Steam account. From the top menu in the desktop client or the website, head to the Help section. If you prefer, you can also go directly to support.steampowered.com in your browser. It leads to the same support tools and is handy if you aren't at your gaming PC. Once you're on the Steam support page, select Purchases. This area centralizes everything you've bought or added, including wallet transactions. Next, choose I would like to request a refund. This opens your purchase history so you can find the specific transaction you want to refund. Look for the wallet fund transaction you want refunded. Timing matters here. It needs to be within 14 days of when you added the funds. Click that transaction to open the refund page. You'll see a short form asking why you're requesting a refund. Be clear and concise. Select the option that best matches your situation and, if there's a text box, add a brief explanation. This helps Steam support understand your request quickly. You'll also be asked where you want the refund to go. The default option is a refund to your Steam wallet, which is typically the fastest. If it's available for your situation, you may also see the option to send the refund back to your original payment method. Choose the one that works best for you. Keep in mind that availability can vary by region and the payment method you originally used. When everything looks good, submit the request. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after, which lets you know your request was received. From there, Steam typically reviews and processes refunds within 1 to 7 days. If you chose your original payment method, banks or payment providers can add a bit of extra time before the funds appear. If you don't see an email, check your spam or promotions folder so you don't miss updates. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.